Hey everyone, this is Christian. Here I've got our Small Wera Screwdriver and I'm going to show you the places that it is used on the Featherweight. The first place is the motor pulley. We use the small screwdriver on both the Bakelite and metal style motor pulley screws. The next places are the 3 screws on the bobbin case. There's the 2 here on the bobbin case spring, and then the one really small one here on the inside. That one holds on the bobbin case latch. The screwdriver works for that one as well. Probably the most important screw that we use the Small Wera Screwdriver to loosen is the gib hook screw. It's the one that you remove when you get a thread jam and have to take out the bobbin case base, and it is often really tight. Wera has made these screwdrivers for us with an extra long shaft so we can get more torque as we're loosening this screw. If you have to replace the entire gib hook, you can also use the Small Wera Screwdriver to loosen the gib hook mounting screw on the back side of the hook assembly.